M22 drone operation tutorial. Remove products and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before flying. Connect the battery. Connect power supply. The red light flashes during charging. Preparation before flight. First, unfold the drone arm. Installing drone batteries. Place the drone horizontally. Long press the power button to turn on the drone. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically adjust the frequency of the drone. Alter A calibration gyroscope. Push up the left joystick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One-click takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Back off. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Speed switch beeps to low gear. The beeping sound is in medium gear. Beep 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 3 times for high speed gear. Press the roll button and toggle the right joystick. Unmanned aerial vehicle capable of 360-degree rolling. Electric camera adjustment. Press the fine-tuning button to enter fine-tuning. If the aircraft deviates to the left, it will turn to the right. Move backward and forward. Exit fine-tuning mode. One-click landing. Light switching. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B labels. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it. Connect pack. Scan the QR code on the packaging box to download the app. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Simply click on your phone and start flying.